What would you do if you were invisible? How would you move if the trace of you became a whisper in the wind, until you were undetected, unremembered? The soil couldn't recall the feeling of your footprint. The trees wouldn't recognize your voice. The river wouldn't remember your fingertips grazing her surface. And the water would forget the kiss of your mouth. If your presence was an echo on earth, if you could disappear, if not even nature knew you were there, what would you do?